In this question with complex numbers, so we have one complex number z1 and we are given the second number z2. And in this part, we are told that z3, so the third complex number, equal what? The first complex number z1 minus 3 multiplied by the second complex number. So we have to write it in a specific form. So how do we do that? We replace z1 with what is the actual complex number, which is 4 plus 3i, then minus, and we have 3 multiply, and again we replace z2 with the actual complex number, which is 2 minus I. Now, what do we need to do here? We need to get rid of the bracket, so we multiply the bracket by minus 3, so our z3 will equal, we copy 4 plus 3i, and now we do the multiplication. Minus 3 by 2 will be minus 6, and minus 3 by minus I will be plus 3i. What's the next thing we have to do? Well, we simplify it. We are saying, well, the numbers that are real, that don't have I, so 4 minus 6 together, we're going to have minus 2. And then imaginary numbers, so 3i and 3i together, we have 6i. So there it is, our complex number in the form that they were looking for.